how to download AI software for free on Windows PC. So if you want to download free AI software for your PC, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And without any delay, let's jump in. First, you need to go with your Microsoft Store and log into your account. Search for Microsoft Store and then click on it. Now you need to go with your search on your Microsoft Store and then search for free AI. You'll find the option of free AI content and image generator. And as you can see that you will have a lot of applications that will provide you free AI software. Once you find it, you need to click on it and then go with Get Widgets on the left side, and this will be installed. Once it's installed, you need to go to the search bar on your Windows and then search for free AI and then open the app. After opening the app, you'll be able to use the AI software. So once you click on install or get, it will start the download process and it will be installed. That's how you can install AI software free download for your Windows PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.